In 1991, the S-Class Series 140 was inaugurated. This S-Class generation presented a new stylistic interpretation of the traditional Mercedes radiator grille. The star is repositioned on the hood. The W140's blatantly imposing shape drew criticism at home, but was enthusiastically received in the US and Japan. The S-Class was conceived initially as a combination of the highest possible aerodynamics, with a maximum durability for daily use. Side markers and foldable outside mirrors aid maneuvering in tight spatial conditions. A parameter steering ensures ease of operation with this large Mercedes. At the outset of production, the S-Class model range included 4 different models. 2 V8 4 valves with 5 and 4.2 liter cubic capacity, and a 6-cylinder with 3.2 liters. The top model 600 SE is, as always, extraordinary. For the first time, a 12-cylinder engine is series produced. As if that's not enough superlative, a 408 horsepower propulsion writes history, making it the strongest Mercedes of its time. Although a tiger is hidden under the hood, to the passenger's ears, the S-Class purrs like a kitten. That is made possible by acoustic insulation composing of a double-wall design. As usual, the interior sets the standard of opulent spaciousness in the upper range. The 140 series readily answers all questions of safety. The design of the S-Class chassis has incorporated every aspect in this regard. The 8 and 12 cylinders have a new brake system that is perceivably more stable. A new body structure improves passive safety in combination with various detailed solutions. In March 1994, the 140's makeover began, first with smaller visible modifications. The radiator grilles were slightly changed, the rear redesigned. By request, the S-Class is now available with Parktronic, a new ultrasonic parking support. Both larger model variations were supplied with the newly engineered 5-gear automatic in 1995. Electronic transmission adjusts itself quickly and independently to the driving situation. Over the years, the engine range has become slightly modified. Finally, in 1996, the new Type S300 turbo diesel replaced the S350 turbo diesel. Of course, the 140 S-Class series has its own coupe variation, the SECs. Equipment and motorization mostly match the limousines. The 12-cylinder top model 600 SEC even came to the car dealers half a year earlier. Being the trendsetters in the coupe family, they have finally earned their own name. Since 1996, the CL Class coupes have been an independent model range in the Mercedes-Benz program. Following tradition, the 2 big models of the 140 series are available as specially armored editions. Additionally, the S600 long version Pullman was introduced in 1995. Altogether, 406,532 of the imposing road fortresses were produced. In 1998, Mercedes retired the series. As a farewell, the paper Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung published an obituary by Wolfgang Peters. The S-Class was always better than its reputation, it read. A giant that was taught to dance on tiptoes. And finally, we already miss Chubby.
This channel Old Benz. Thank you for attention. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.